As the Christmas holiday begins, most students are enjoying a crazy and relaxed break. No need to wake up early, no homework or classes to worry about. Snacks, games, and social media are all within easy reach. Plus, the festival Christmas atmosphere adds to the cheer. It sounds like perfect recipe for happiness, right? Yet, my friend's Walter has been dealing with some worries lately. Walter, as I mentioned before, is on the heavier side. Recently, he's noticed his weight creeping up again. He knows the reason: too many snacks and little to no exercise. In fact, he's been moving even less than Europe, but despite knowing the cause, he's struggling to motivate himself to change. This isn't just Walter's problem, it's something many students his age face across the US. Statistics show that physical activity decreased by 24% in boys and 36% in girls between the age of 6 and 18. Why? One major reason is that kids spend too much time watching TV, playing computer or video games, or just sitting around on their devices. These long periods of inactivity stop them from staying active, and to make things worse, they often snack while doing it. So, what can Water do to stick with a healthier lifestyle and exercise regularly? Here's the advice I give him. Imagine you have a younger sibling, someone you love dearly. Imagine that they're struggling with obesity and facing health issues like fat liver, high blood pressure, or heart disease. On being teased or excluded by their peers, which makes them dread school or lose interest in learning. As their trust older sibling, how would you help them? Here's a step-by-step plan Water could follow. Step 1. Build a vivid mental image. Picture this younger sibling in detail, their name, age, personality traits, and even some skins from their daily life. Imagine the challenges they face because of obesity, difficulty in sports, or feeling embarrassed due to other judgments. Also picture them gradually becoming healthier and more confident with your help. Step 2. Design a support plan. Imagine working out with them being their role model and cheerleader. Create a doable exercise plan like daily walks, jump rope sessions, or fun sports like badminton or swimming. Visualize the two of you overcoming challenges and celebrating small victories together. This can make exercise feel more rewarding and meaningful. Start small, trying just 10 minutes of exercise a day. Gradually build up to 30 minutes a day, 3 to 5 times a week. The goal isn't to make them love sports instantly, but to help them enjoy the process and participate in activities they like. Healthy eating matters to encourage balanced meals that give energy and avoid sugary drinks or high fat snacks. Nutrition plays a key role in building long term health. Finally, I told Water to turn this empty into motivation for yourself. Here's how: shift the responsibility. Think, if I take care of myself, I can inspire and help others. While working out, imagine you are not just improving yourself, but setting an example for your younger sibling. After each session, give yourself positive reinforcement. I'm helping them get healthier, and we're becoming stronger. Keep a record of your progress as proof of both your efforts and theirs. This idea is inspired by Jane McGonigal's book Reality is Broken. She explains how gamifying life can boost happiness and give our actions meaning. Water could try using this method too. For example, set up tasks like Today, your ceremony needs to run 1 kilometer, and you will do it with them. Celebrate with small rewards afterward, like telling yourself, I feel more confident today, or asking your parents for a little treat. If you have other creative way to encourage teens to love exercise, please share them in the comments. I love to feature your ideas in future videos, and thank you for your contributing. And if you are facing challenges or feel stuck, leave a comment below. As someone your age, I will do my best to help. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, No Thoughts of Young Water. I'm Sky, wishing you a Merry Christmas and see you in the next time.